Hey everyone, today's video is just to show you how to make a Ristretto coffee on your Nespresso machine. Now it's a bit funny because on the display box you've probably seen Ristretto, but you might have noticed on your machine there's probably not a button for it. So how do you make it and which capsules do you use? Well, while we're looking at this display box, let's just have a look at the capsules you can use for a Ristretto. So we're looking for this small cup here, smaller than the espresso, so we can use all of these Intenso ones with it. Are there any others on there? Let's have a look. The Indria one, I knew there was one more. So the Indria one can also be used as a Ristretto. So usually we're looking, if you look, that's intensity 10, intensity 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So generally, we're looking for the more intense coffees. I've got an order on the way because like I said, I'm an intense fan. I like intense coffee, so I've depleted my capsules at the minute. But I have got some compatible ones that's an intensity 10, so I'm going to use that today just to show you how to make it. So let's just press the button to get it going. What we're going to do to make the Ristretto, we're going to have to reset the cup size. I've done a video on that, a separate video, which I'll link to at the end or possibly above now in the video, to show you how to reset the cup size. But we're going to be using the espresso button on the left hand side. And to reset it, you just hold it down for the amount of coffee you want. So if you've got a measuring jug and you want to get exactly 25ml, it's a 25ml coffee is a Ristretto. For the purpose of the video, I'm not going to go through the process of measuring it all out. I'm just going to show you how to reset it to pour a smaller coffee. So make sure there's no capsule inside. So I'm just going to hold it down now to roughly 25ml. And let go, and that will reset the coffee size. So hold the button down on the left hand side for the required amount of water. I'll just do that now. So I'd say that's roughly about right. About 25ml of coffee from my Ristretto. So I've also just cleared any coffee out from the last use now, so it'll be clear water, nice and clean. And I'll just make now the next Ristretto. So the next time, I'm putting my capsule in now, the next time I press the button, it will automatically come out at 25ml again. So I'll just press it now, you'll see it comes out smaller than an espresso would come out. There, it's stopped now. So that's roughly 25ml. If you want to be exact, then be sure to measure it out when you reset your size. And that's a Ristretto.